This tiny yellow square exists because a scientist at 3M completely failed at his job in 1968. Today, that failure generates billions. But here's the twist. We're still using his exact same broken formula. Think about how many of these yellow squares are on your desk right now. Each one represents one of history's most beautiful accidents. Let me show you how the world's most famous failure became its most essential office supply. 1968, Spencer Silver at 3M has one job: create the strongest adhesive ever. The company wants something stronger than superglue, something permanent, unbreakable. Silver is experimenting with acrylate polymers, adding tiny microspheres to make super strong glue. Think of these microspheres like hollow tennis balls at microscopic scale. Today, this same process happens in massive industrial vats. But Silver's addition went horribly wrong. Instead of superglue, he created something pathetically weak, removable, reusable. Everything adhesive shouldn't be. Silver tested his creation. It stuck to surfaces but peeled off easily, left no residue, could be repositioned multiple times. In the adhesive world, this was complete failure. Silver had created what he later called a solution without a problem. Here's what's fascinating. That failed formula is now mixed with scientific precision. The same microspheres Silver accidentally added create tiny hollow spheres, like microscopic suction cups filled with air. What Silver saw as disaster, we now engineer deliberately. This connects to how today's biggest breakthroughs often come from unexpected failures. AI experiments that don't work as intended, or accidental discoveries that reshape entire industries. For 5 years, Silver pitched his discovery. Marketing teams called it useless. Engineering called it failure. The formula sat on laboratory shelves. Nobody wanted weak adhesive. Today, those same defects are tested obsessively. Too strong and Post-its won't peel. Too weak and they won't stick. Silver's accident was actually perfect. 1974. Art Fry, another 3M scientist, sings in church choir. Have you ever lost your bookmark halfway through a book? That was Art Fry's exact problem. Every Sunday, his bookmarks fall out during hymns. Frustrating. How do you turn a 1,000-pound paper roll into a Post-it? It starts here, with sensors checking thickness down to microns. Today, these massive rolls become Post-its. But Fry's breakthrough started with scraps. Fry remembered Silver's failed adhesive from a company presentation. What if weak glue was perfect for removable bookmarks? Modern Post-it production requires specialty paper designed for Silver's adhesive. Not just any paper works. The paper must be strong enough to hold adhesive, but thin enough for smooth writing. Fry used whatever scraps he found. Today, it's engineered perfection. Fry took Silver's adhesive home, coated paper strips by hand, perfect removable bookmarks. Today's cutting machines slice with micrometer precision, but Fry's hand-cut prototypes started something bigger. Co-workers started using Fry's sticky notes for everything. Messages, reminders, to-do lists. They called them press and peel memos. The name stuck. Within months, everyone at 3M was addicted to Fry's invention. They spread through the company like wildfire. Today, applying that adhesive requires industrial precision. The pattern isn't random. Silver's microspheres create tiny dots with air pockets. That's the secret. Air gaps let Post-its peel without tearing.
These hollow microspheres within the adhesive cross-section provide unique properties.
Each dot must be perfectly positioned. The machine applies thousands per second, monitoring adhesive strength in real time. Fry tested his by hand. Today, sensors measure peel force, repositioning ability, residue levels. Every Post-it must pass the same test Fry invented: stick securely, peel cleanly, reposition perfectly. By 1977, 3M workers couldn't function without press and peel memos. The company realized they had something revolutionary. Today, these stacking machines create those perfect little pads Fry once made by hand. But commercializing the invention, that nearly killed it. 1980, Richmond, Virginia test market. Complete disaster. Consumers didn't understand removable sticky notes. People couldn't grasp why they needed weak adhesive when traditional tape was stronger and cheaper. That iconic yellow wasn't planned, it was just scrap paper in Fry's lab. Today, color mixing is precise science. Every batch tested for color consistency. That accidental yellow became the world's most recognizable office color. 3M almost canceled Post-its after Richmond. Then they tried free samples. Once people used them, they were hooked. Today's color application happens at 300 feet per minute, but the breakthrough was giving product away free. If you'd seen these in 1980, would you have thought they'd succeed? Let me know. This reveals something crucial about innovation. Revolutionary products sometimes require hands-on experience. People needed to feel the adhesive, test repositioning, discover personal use cases. Sales exploded. Today, 3M produces 50 billion Post-its annually. Silver's failure generates over $1 billion in revenue. From Silver's lab accident to Fry's church problem to global phenomenon. 12 years of persistence paid off. Spencer Silver and Art Fry both retired as heroes. Silver's weak adhesive changed how the world communicates. Average office worker uses 11 Post-its daily, sold in 150+ countries. Artists, protesters, scientists. Everyone uses Silver's failure. Post-its inspired stop-motion films, political movements, productivity systems. They've appeared in movies, sparked memes, revolutionized brainstorming. Even in our digital world, the physical sticky note remains irreplaceable. This story connects to something bigger about modern innovation. Whether it's AI experiments that work differently than expected, or accidental discoveries that reshape industries, sometimes the most valuable breakthroughs come from beautiful failures. Next time you peel off a Post-it, remember what you're holding. Spencer Silver's beautiful failure. Art Fry's church solution. 12 years of persistence that transformed accident into revolution. Sometimes the best innovations come from the worst experiments. What failures in your life might actually be hidden solutions waiting for the right problem? Share your thoughts in the comments below.